Starting around 07 April 2024, explicitly spell commonly token generally is exchanging at $2 in term of its lowest rate with the value change of 27% in especially most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Spell in a real sense has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $124,558,553 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,397,373, or so they generally thought. This certainly makes in a real sense spell pretty token spell really positioning at 436 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the spell commonly token cost forecast finish of 2024, what will especially spell sort of token especially be somewhat worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is in every practical sense, spell fundamentally token a generally excellent venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Will generally spell cost really outperform its unequaled kind of high in a fundamentally significant manner? These sort of are essentially spell really token cost expectations for spell's future, which especially is very huge. Spell really token spell value expectation 2024 as per the spell token conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the spell cost explicitly is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0.16. The normal kind of least value worth of most certainly spell especially token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in every practical sense be $0.15 in a kind of significant way. Besides, in a real sense, spell can basically arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.17, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell token spell value conjecture April 2024. For April 2024, the cost of truly spell pretty token for the most part is generally anticipated to generally arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.12, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0.13 and a by and large least of $0.11, which is very huge. Spell certainly token value expectation May 2024. Sort of spell exceptionally token cost certainly is supposed to reach between $0.12 to $0.13 in May 2024. While the extremely normal cost of spell for the May fundamentally remains around $0.13 spell, especially token spell value forecast June 2024. Concerning June 2024, for the most part, spell pretty symbolic cost is conjectured to arrive at a barely the least cost of $0.12, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The spell cost could generally arrive at an essentially most extreme cost of $0.14 with the typical expected cost around $0.13 in a genuinely huge manner. Spell truly token value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the sort of greatest cost for by and large spell truly token could for the most part stretch around $0.14, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of most certainly spell in July 2024 fundamentally is $0.13 with a typical cost of $0.13, which really is very huge. Spell pretty symbolic value conjecture August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of explicitly spell, especially token truly, is supposed to sort of be at around a really least of $1.13, or so they truly thought. Spell certainly token cost can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.15 with the really normal cost of $0.14 in USD. Spell commonly token value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of especially spell exceptionally token is supposed to really be at around an extremely least of $0.14 in an especially large manner. Spell extremely token cost can for the most part arrive at an essentially limit of $0.15 with the very normal cost of $0.14 in USD, which really is very critical. Spell in every practical sense. Token spell value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of certainly spell most certainly token really is all things considered, anticipated to all things considered, arrive at an essentially normal cost of $0.15, while the coin could exchange between and in every practical sense limit of $0.16 and a genuinely least of $0.14 in a sort of significant manner. Spell especially token spell value expectation November 2024. The cost for generally spell really token in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.15 and $0.17, exhibiting how, moreover, the minimum cost of in every practical sense spell in July 2024 in every way that really matters is $0.13 with an especially normal cost of $0.13, which truly is genuinely critical. While the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.15. Pretty further appearance how while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.15. Spell pretty token spell value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, for the most part spell kind of symbolic cost especially is estimate to explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense least cost of $1.15 in a huge way. The spell cost could by and large arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $917 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $916 in an especially enormous manner. Spell essentially token most certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The spell token's cost by and large has shown a decent increment of 319% in the truly most recent 24 hours, which really is very huge. Spell genuinely token by and large is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with in every practical sense other crypto coins in an unobtrusive way. The spell truly is down to nearly 943% in the sort of most recent 7 days. So besides basically spell can sort of arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of $1.17 in an unpretentious manner. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for extremely past most certainly couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't actually believe that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment. Spell extremely token value estimate 2024. Fikes what will truly be truly spell sort of token most certainly worth in 2024. The spell cost truly is estimated to explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $1.17 with pretty least cost of $1.15 toward the finish of 2024. Showing how on the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the spell pretty symbolic cost expectation end of 2024. What will generally spell exceptionally token explicitly be somewhat worth in 2024, which basically is very huge. Does sort of spell kind of token all things considered have a future in an unpretentious way? With regards to cost, in every practical sense, spell certainly token has a remarkable sort of potential to generally arrive at new levels, which basically shows that the spell explicitly is down to nearly 943% in the very most recent 7 days. So besides basically spell can really arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $1.17, or so they especially thought. It explicitly is figure that in every practical sense, spell will increment in esteem, showing how this for the most part makes explicitly spell sort of token spell positioning at 436 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners, explicitly spell sort of token can explicitly raise a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of $79 till 2030. Genuinely further appearance how this by and large makes